I make up my own metal blanks for the fiber laser. I have been cutting them on the CNC and having good luck. But the problem I have is trying to sand or buff these medallions that I make because they range from 1 inch to 3 inch. They're hard to hold on to. So what I'm doing here is I'm making vacuum pucks so they'll hold on to the medallions, and then I can sand them or buff them and it doesn't hurt my hands. I've ran some tests and this is the results I got. The vacuum pucks do hold the medallions down very well, right down to a 1 inch coin. So to start with, I made up 3 vacuum pumps. One large one right down to a 1 inch for the small medallion or coin that I make. Shown here, the CNC is routing out the path for the gasket. Shown here, I'm setting up the tool path to cut out the vacuum pucks and also the tool path for the gasket. The gasket's on the outside. I picked up the gasket material on Amazon. It's 6mm or 1/4 inch diameter. So you machine it on the CNC about halfway. So it'll be half of the gasket sticking up. Half of it is embedded in the plastic puck. Here you can see the vacuum pump in the background hooked up to the puck. This has saved me a lot of difficult work, sanding and buffing all those metal medallions, right from 1 inch to 3 inch to even bigger pieces, really hard on the hands. So this is great. I don't have to touch them. The vacuum holds them down. I can sand them, buff them, whatever I want. Depending how rough they are, I'll start off with about a 180 grit and go right to about maybe 200 grit when I'm finished. But I never did use the vacuum pucks on the CNC. I just didn't feel confident to hold my work down that way.